Full Cobra is this. We go here, legs flat, body flat, hands to your side, and coming straight up this way. Okay, that's a full Cobra. So you're putting your legs straight, feet straight, pointing your toes out away from you, behind you. And now you're going to go from a push-up position on the floor with your hands at your sides, palms open, and come straight up. Okay, if that's uncomfortable, you can do this stuck, because I have patients that can't do this because their back's too sore. Come put a towel underneath their top of their shoulders, underneath their chin, and just stay right here.
You can do that too?
You can do that also. It qualifies. Instead, if this is too uncomfortable for you, hurts the back or hurts the arms or shoulders, right here. Get the back to arch more. Why do you want to arch in the back? Why is that important? So you can move. If our spine is arched backwards, which is better alignment for your body, better posture, the muscles work hard to hold you here versus being here. If you come to my office, they're so far hunched over, this is even painful for them.